Understanding, cut back to the bone. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, cut back to the bone. It's a vivid expression used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in both understanding native speakers and in making your English more colorful. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning and usage of this phrase. Cut back to the bone is an idiomatic expression that means to reduce something extremely or severely, often to its minimum level. It's used to describe situations where expenses, resources, or anything subject to reduction are trimmed down as much as possible, often to the point where nothing more can be taken away without causing harm or losing essential functions. The phrase paints a vivid picture. It suggests trimming down to the very core or essential part of something, much like cutting away all the meat from a bone. While its exact origins are hard to pinpoint, it's deeply rooted in the visual idea of reduction to the essentials, a concept that's easily understood across cultures and contexts. Cut back to the bone can be used in a variety of contexts. Budgets and finance, when a company or individual reduces their spending as much as possible, often due to financial hardship. Organizational changes, when a business or organization reduces its workforce or resources to the absolute minimum necessary to operate. Personal lifestyle, when someone minimizes their personal expenses or lifestyle choices to the bare essentials, often in an effort to save money or simplify their life. Here are a couple of examples to see how it's used in sentences. Due to the economic downturn, the company had to cut back to the bone, laying off many employees and reducing office size. After losing his job, he had to cut his expenses back to the bone to make ends meet. There are several other expressions that convey similar meanings. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and comprehension. Trim the fat, reducing excesses or unnecessary elements. Bare bones, something reduced to its essential elements, often used to describe a minimalistic approach or product. Understanding phrases like, cut back to the bone, not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English expression. It's a powerful phrase that conveys a deep level of reduction or minimization, useful in various contexts from financial discussions to personal lifestyle changes. We hope this video has shed some light on this expressive phrase and that you can now use it confidently in your own conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.